Want to boost your sales? Start with stunning photos. Good lighting is your best friend. Use natural light or soft white bulbs to highlight your items. Angles matter. Capture your items from different perspectives. Show every detail and make your product look irresistible to potential buyers. Backgrounds can make or break a photo. Choose simple, clean backgrounds to keep the focus on your item. Avoid clutter and distractions. Ever wondered why some photos pop? It's all about lighting. Place your light source at a 45-degree angle for the best shadows and highlights. Say goodbye to blurry photos. Use a tripod or a stable surface to keep your camera steady. Sharp images attract more attention and boost sales. Close-ups are key. Zoom in on unique features of your item. Let buyers see the texture, color, and quality up close. Natural light is amazing. Shoot near windows or outdoors for the best results. Morning or late afternoon light works wonders. Struggling with shadows? Use a reflector or white cardboard to bounce light and soften harsh shadows. Your items will look perfect. Consistency is crucial. Use the same background and lighting setup for all your photos. It creates a cohesive and professional look. Props can add context. Use relevant props to show how your item is used. Just don't overdo it. Keep the focus on the product. Play with angles. Shoot from above, below, and eye level. Discover which angle makes your item look the most appealing. Clean your lens before shooting. Dust and smudges can ruin a perfect shot. Keep it clean for crystal clear images. Experiment with composition. Use the rule of thirds to place your item off-center. It creates a more dynamic and interesting photo. Colors matter. Use backgrounds that complement your item. Neutral tones usually work best, making your product stand out. Detail shots sell. Showcase intricate designs, patterns, or textures. Buyers love seeing the quality up close. Editing is your friend. Adjust brightness, contrast, and color balance to make your photos pop. Just don't over-edit. Use a plain white background for a clean look. It highlights your item and works well for online listings. Want to add a personal touch? Include your brand's color scheme in the background or props. It reinforces brand identity. Consider the scale. Include an object for size reference. It helps buyers understand the true size of your item. Keep it simple. Avoid busy backgrounds and distracting elements. Your item should always be the star of the photo. Use natural textures like wood or fabric as backdrops. They add warmth and interest without overshadowing your item. Try different lighting setups. Soft light for a gentle look or hard light for sharp, defined shadows. Find what works best for your item. Stay consistent with your style. Whether minimalistic or colorful, keep your photos cohesive. It builds a recognizable brand image. Shoot multiple shots. Take lots of photos from different angles and lighting setups. You'll have more options to choose the perfect one. Use the golden hour. The soft, warm light just after sunrise or before sunset creates beautiful, flattering photos. Show the item in use. Lifestyle photos help buyers imagine owning it. It's more engaging than standard product shots. Avoid using flash directly. It can create harsh shadows and wash out colors. Use natural or diffused light for the best results. Keep reflections in check. Watch out for unwanted reflections on shiny surfaces. Adjust your angle or lighting to reduce glare. Capture the texture. Highlight the material and craftsmanship. Buyers want to see what makes your item special. Always review and retake shots as needed. A great photo can be the difference between a quick sale and a missed opportunity.